Out here, every drop counts, whether it's a beach rinse, cooking setup, or a quick shower after a long drive. Having runny water really makes the whole trip just that much smoother. Today, we're setting up the OpenRoad 4x4 water tank on my Patrol roof rack, and I will show you exactly how to mount it, test it, and make it look factory. The OpenRoad tank is lightweight, tough, and super practical. I've got the 40 liters version here, and the kit includes the tank, filler cap, breather, outlet, and the mounting hardware. I'm using the U-bolts from Bunnings to secure the brackets to my factory roof rack since it doesn't have the mounting channels most aftermarket racks do, because my roof rack is the stock ones from Nissan. Before drilling or clamping anything down, plan your layout. Think about weight distribution, accessibility to the filler cap, and where the outlet hose will hang, which is why I decided to mount my water tank opposite side of the OpenRoad awning. Once you've got the positioning sorted, it's just a matter of locking the U-bolts through the rack rails and tightening them evenly. The key here is to keep the bracket flush and straight. You don't want any twisting, especially when the tank is full. If your rack rails are rounded or uneven, use rubber padding or washers to avoid metal-on-metal contact. In my case, I used the washer that was in the water tank kit. Next up, plumbing. I've attached the OpenRoad hose kit with a standard shower head setup. Fill it up and let it breathe, literally. The breather cap allows airflow as water drains, keeping a smooth, steady flow. And once you turn the tap on, there is a mini shower ready for the beach or bush trips. Oh, but I forgot one thing. To have this water pressurized, the recommended pressure is 30 psi here. So I'm gonna quickly go to the servo and put in 30 psi of air so the water is pressurized. Okay, there you have it. This is day 2. Because it got dark yesterday, I decided to film this finishing segment today. So there you have it. All is done. Water is pressurized. And just to be safe, I put on some plumbing tape on the hose just so everything is secured and no leaks guaranteed.